We're here in the shop with, this is a 50 that Bentley Laudermilk rides, and trying to finish it up for him. Went through the motor, went through the carburetor, got all the CVT done, and just trying to get it prepared for GNCC, or I said GNCC, FTR for him. This little rider rides an FTR. Tonight what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild the water pump just for maintenance. We've taken all the stuff off and cleaned it. There was a lot of debris around here, which is what I think his water pump was leaking. So trying to get him all prepared. We've got to do that, the water pump, and then also we got to replace the petcock. But this is our project for today. This is off Bentley's quad, but you can see all the debris that's up in here. I think this thing's leaking, and not only that, it probably needs to be maintenance just because it's been a while since we've done it. So we're going to go ahead and get this done for him. This is the new kit that we got from Matt Lay that helped us out. We've been waiting on parts, so finally got that, and I'm going to go ahead and take this apart and clean it and get him all good to go. Here's over here, got it all cleaned up. You can see it cleaned up a lot better. Got all that dirt and debris out of it, and we got it all apart. But you can see this is all the old parts here, the old bearings. There's a bushing in there, there's a seal. These are all your screws here, and there's a pin, paddle wheel. These are all the new parts over here. You get basically the same contents in there. One distinctive thing that you can notice is what happens is these little propellers on this water pump, they get really soft. I'm not sure if you can see, if you can bend them really easy with your finger. This one's obviously not been changed in a while, but anyway, what happens is one of them will break off, and it'll ruin your day. You know, because this is obviously the water pump, and what'll happen is it'll get caught up into you know, one of these holes here. This is where your hoses hook in, and completely clog it to where you won't have no circulation. So we certainly don't want that. So we're putting in, try to do these every 12-15 hours, you know, just to try to keep up with it. And then the bearings here, but you can see all the dirt, and this one I know was leaking because it had a lot of debris around it, but you can see I've cleaned it up, and I'm getting ready to new petcock on there. This little arm came loose on the old one, so put a brand new one on there. Redid all the fuel line there for him, so it should be good to go on the fuel shut off. Got the water pump cover and water pump rebuilt. That's all good. I have already heat cycled this. I've got heat and water running through the systems. But anyway, for the most part, it's got it all done. I think it turned out really good. I think Bentley will be happy and excited to get his quad back and to get some practice laps in. We're coming up on race season, so I think he'll be very excited to get the quad back and get over to do some motocross. I think they do a lot of motocross practice and stuff over there. So, but anyway, yep, it's just me by myself. Buddies have already left. Brandon's already went inside. I'm out here by myself trying to just finish up Bentley's quad. So I'm going to wrap the video up. I appreciate you guys dropping by, and we'll try to get some more footage. I'll be working on the Can-Am, trying to get it dialed in a little bit better, and then obviously we got tons of work to do on these two here. So this is Kyla, Brandon's girlfriend. They'll be riding, I think, on Friday. I think they're going out back out to the camp on Friday to ride. So excited about that, and get out there. I think I might take the skid steer out there and do a little bit of grading, some brush mowing, try to cut a little bit more. The property's dried up a little bit out there, so we didn't get no rain today. So I'm gonna go out there on Saturday morning, I think, and try to do a little bit of some grading and try to fix some of the roads, because we had them riding on some of the roads at where we take our buggies up and down, the golf carts. So we can't have them doing that, but we had them on there this past week, so we get some training in. And the problem is we got it rutted up. So we'll take the Bobcat down there, the skid steer, and try to get that leveled out so we can get our buggies up and down there. So anyway, appreciate you guys dropping by.